The Lion King. This is great. Simba and Nyla are best friends. Let's play today, Simba says. Last one out of the cave is an ostrich egg, Nyla says. The cubs pounce into the sunshine. You cubs wait for me, Zazu calls. I'm the fastest runner there is, says Simba. Let's race, says Nyla. The two cubs run. Zazu cannot keep up. Simba, Nyla, wait up, Zazu yells. The cubs squeeze inside a hollow log. Stay where I can see you, says Zazu. He follows them inside. It's dark in here. Zazu yells. Simba and Nyla run out the other end. The log starts to roll down the hill. Oh no, Zazu yells. He is still inside. That looks like fun, Simba says. Tired but happy, Simba and Nyla follow Zazu home. I can't wait to play again tomorrow, Zazu, Simba says. We'll have so much fun. Oh no, not again, says poor Zazu.